Hey everybody, I would like to invite everybody to a cookout this weekend at my house. What? So I was informed that due to COVID-19 and social distancing, I will not be able to have a cookout this weekend. So instead, welcome to episode number 2 of Cooking with Ciro. In today's episode, we're going to be doing skewers. It's going to be skewers with veggies. We're going to have some beef. We're going to have some turkey sausage. We're going to have some shrimp also, some veggies. It's going to be awesome. And we're going to do these on the skillet. So in case if anybody doesn't have a grill, no problemo. Let's get to it. So I have some steak here. Got some top sirloin. And I'm gonna cut this in about inch by an inch. I'm gonna make little cubes of approximately an inch by an inch. Next, I'm gonna start cutting up the sausage in about an inch sections as well. We're gonna put some squash. Want some big, nice chunks of squash. We're also gonna do some red, purple onion. I like this one. We're gonna include some mushrooms. Look at these. Nice. Some cherry tomatoes as well. Nice and chunky. Everything that we do here on Cooking with Ciro is nice and chunky. My eyes. Crap. These are the ones that I'm using. Little wooden ones. If we were grilling, you would want to use different ones. They have some metal ones. Because these little ones will get burnt up by the grill. But we're going to be stir frying these, so these will work perfect. The shrimp that I got were frozen, but they thaw really easy. You just run water over them for about 5 minutes and then they are ready. Okay, so here's my skewer. So people don't realize that there is an exact science, okay, behind this. A lot of people will say no, you just put things in at random. But let me tell you, this is a science, guys, and I have it down. Check it out. You do meat, veggie, another meat, then you do another veggie, and then you top it off with meat. Look at that. Beautiful. Ideally, I'd like to add some, bell peppers in here. Maybe some green ones, maybe some red ones, just to have a lot of color variation. It makes it very pretty. But, because of this whole social distancing thing, it doesn't have to be pretty, because who am I impressing? Nobody. Nobody's gonna come and see me, right? Just like everybody at home, all y'all people, y'all get up and work from home. Y'all aren't putting on makeup. Y'all aren't doing anything. Why? Because you have nobody to impress. That's why. So we are done. We have a mountain of skewers. We have a few stuff left over, but that's okay. We'll use it some other day. So the beautiful thing about these is that for my friends that are vegetarians, you can do a skewer that's all vegetables. And if you are one of those people that hates vegetables, you can do one that's all meat. Like, you can do whatever you want here. That's the beautiful thing about this. And before y'all ask me, Ciro, are you gonna season the meat? Yes, I'm gonna season everything, but I like to season it while I'm stir frying it, not before. All right, let's get to cooking. All right, so we have a mountain of food. So I estimate on the ones that have this meat, probably about 3 to 5 minutes per side. I'm probably gonna switch them. So in a pan, hot oil, you gotta bring it to the smoking point. And here we go. So at this point, it's been about 2 minutes. Look at that. Cooking pretty good. So been about 3 minutes. Look at this one. No, that's not burnt. That's just a nice caramelized crust on there. And here's where I put my seasoning. It's just gonna be a pure lemon pepper. That's all we're gonna use, lemon pepper on this, nothing else. All right, so this is the product of the first batch. Look at that, beautiful, y'all. And guacamole, right? Everybody loves guacamole. So I'm gonna make some real quick. Oh my God, you guys, it smells delicious. Look at that. It's not an even cut, but it's gonna taste delicious. So you can put whatever you want in your guacamole. I like mine just with some tomato, some onion, salt, pepper, lemon, and of course, that green gold, also known as avocado. And again, a lot of these ingredients are optional, so if you don't like this, skip it. Cooking is all about personality, being creative. Who are you really? You know, are you a onion kind of person? Oh, and I didn't mention this, but cilantro. Big fan of cilantro. It gives the guacamole like a very fresh taste. And we're gonna do the juice of one lemon, one whole lemon. There's your final product. Like you see, like I was mentioning, nice, big and chunky. Everything we do here at Cooking with Ciro, big and chunky. Oh my God, so good, you guys. Oh. So you might be saying, Ciro, I'm not a professional chef. I don't know when all this meat is done. So let's take a look. So the shrimp, if you remember, it was all white. Whenever it starts to turn a little bit of orange at the tail, look at that. And it becomes more white, yellow instead of gray. Your shrimp is done. This turkey sausage is pre-cooked. So really, you could obtain any level of sear that you're looking for. This meat right here, look at that. I like mine medium well. Medium well. If you squeeze it and no red stuff's coming out, it's fully cooked. If a little bit's coming out like this, it's a medium well, something like that. Wow, you guys, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Wow, beautiful. So, let's serve this so we can get ready to eat. Look at that. Black beans, freshly made. Probably a few years ago because they're from a can. Look at this. Compliments of my beautiful wife. Wow. Beautiful. Look at that. Delicious. And last but not least, 1, 2. Look at that. Y'all know what? I'm gonna add a third one because with all this quarantine stuff, I don't know when I'm gonna be able to eat again. So I'm gonna enjoy it while I can. Look at that. And that is how we do it here with Cooking with Ciro. I almost forgot to tell you guys, if you liked the video, hit the like button. If you didn't like the video, it's okay. I'm gonna do another one like that one.